Being heaped, and this is coming in from a Congress MP praising a former BJP MP and head coach, that is Gautam Gambhir, as political and cricket circles now seems to be abuzz, calling Gambhir's job to be the hardest after the Prime Minister, where he's now called Gambhir to be his old friend, saying that he is second guessed by millions daily, and the comparison that is now being drawn as far as Shashi Tharoor is of the opinion that Gautam Gambhir is more of an individual with a calm demeanor and continues to remain undaunted amid scrutiny. And this is coming right ahead of the India-New Zealand T20 International, where Tharoor and Gambhir seems to be catching up in Nagpur. So a picture that has been shared by Shashi Tharoor saying in Nagpur, enjoyed a good and frank discussion with my old friend Gautam Gambhir, the man with the hardest job in India after the Prime Ministers. He's been second guessed by millions daily, but stays calm and works on undaunted. A word of appreciation for his quiet determination and able leadership. Wishing him all the success starting today. India versus New Zealand T20. Well, as far as when it comes to this camaraderie is concerned, that seems to be at display, with Gautam Gambhir also thanking the Congress MP for his words. But in the meantime, exactly when we talk about the war of words, that seems to have now reacted, because here is Gautam Gambhir's response that has now come in. He has now thanked Shashi Tharoor for the praises, saying that he is pitted against his own team and has been highlighting that there is no unlimited authority because he's been denying a free hand when it comes to team decisions. So is he now hinting at something else as far as Gautam Gambhir is known to be quite vocal as far as his criticism is concerned and his stand is concerned and what his opinion and thoughts are. So responding to Shashi Tharoor's praise, here is Gautam Gambhir responding, saying that thanks a lot, Dr. Shashi Tharoor. When the dust settles, truth and logic about the course, supposedly unlimited authority will become clear. Then, till then, I am abused at being pitted against my own who are the very best. So what is exactly hinting at? Well, let's connect with Mohit on this. Mohit, a little too much is being said, but a lot is also being, hidden. India coach sending out a strong message. What does it mean?
Well, in fact, Amita, if you see from past many days, we have seen Gambhir being criticized over the team selection, that how many players who are capable, who are eligible, they are not being included into the team, and there's a certain lobby. These are the allegations that there is a certain lobby under which Gambhir works, and certain players he prefers, and the other players are not being given chance. Now, that are the allegations that are coming from the social media on daily basis. But what we see is that this particular social media post coming in from Shashi Tharoor is very interesting. He says, in Nagpur, enjoyed a good and frank discussion with my old friend Gautam Gambhir. And Gautam Gambhir, remember, was an ex-BJP member of parliament. The man with the hardest job in India after Prime Minister. So this is seen as a very cryptic tweet that on one hand Shashi Tharoor is speaking about, is praising Gautam Gambhir, and also he's speaking about that how his job is second hardest after the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And now we see that how exactly Gautam Gambhir has also replied to it, saying that when the dust settles, truth and logic about a coach supposedly unlimited authority will become clear. Because you see, there have been allegations that Gambhir has complete authority over the team selection and he prefers certain people over the other eligible players. But we know for a fact that how Indian team is doing good. Yesterday also they won the match against New Zealand. So what we see camaraderie between Shashi Tharoor and Gautam Gambhir. But when Shashi Tharoor says that his job is second hardest after the Prime Minister, then we might expect BJP to come out and take pot shots at the Congress. With power comes
responsibility and a lot of criticism as well, because Gautam Gambhir is quite opinionated, and as far as his meeting with Shashi Tharoor is concerned, who is also a Congress MP, meeting a former BJP MP, well, that seems to have triggered a lot of social media debate as well. Gautam Gambhir finding himself in the spotlight after Shashi Tharoor publicly lauded his role ahead of the New Zealand series, and Gambhir's sharp response on X, meanwhile, has also triggered a massive debate on social media. However, Gautam Gambhir has kept his remarks to be open and ambiguous, without making anything explicit as far as who he was hinting at. But since Gautam Gambhir has taken charge of the Indian team, the side has seen major changes and transformation across all three formats. So Gautam Gambhir on social media appears to reflect certain kind of a frustration over the narrative surrounding his role at present. However, it remains unclear who India head coach was specifically targeting with his remarks. Now let's get you where it gets political. Because here is Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP now seems to be, pinpointing as far as the coming together of who were once to be political rivals. We are talking about a Congress MP currently and a former BJP MP who's been Gautam Gambhir, who was part of as far as when it comes to the previous elections that were held, and he was a Delhi BJP MP. Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP now seems to be pointing out as far as the picture that has been shared by Shashi Tharoor. Don't know what will trigger the Congress more. Tharoor in Nagpur, Tharoor meeting and praising Gautam Gambhir, or Tharoor's acknowledgement that the Prime Minister has the hardest job in India given how he's second guessed by an opposition that puts parivaric interest above Bharat's interest. Guess it might be the third point. And one more. Congress fatwa against Tharoor that seems to be loading a question mark that has now been raised on part of Shehzad Poonawalla. All right. Right, I believe we have a leader who is connected with us right now. Tuheen is connected with us right now. All right, Tuheen, good morning. When you see a picture of Gautam Gambhir with Shashi Tharoor in Nagpur ahead of a series that is being played, Shashi Tharoor seems to be heaving praises on Gautam Gambhir, calling his job to be the second hardest after the Prime Minister. What message does this come across?
Well, good morning. Well, unlike, the other Congress leaders, especially Rahul Gandhi's closer coterie, who only spew venom, Shashi Tharoor seems to be acknowledging the people who are really working hard for the country, whether it is Prime Minister or whether it is, Gautam Gambhir. But I think, Shashi Tharoor also needs to make up his mind, if he finds talent, if he finds merit only on the side of BJP, I think, he also needs to make up his mind and quit the Congress party. How long is he going to cope with mediocre people all around him in the Congress party? So I think it's a call which Shashi Tharoor needs to take, but his appreciation seems to be well intended and is most welcome.
All right. Thank you very much, Tuheen, for your point of view. Well, is that a hint going for Dr. Shashi Tharoor as well, as far as we've seen on multiple occasions that he seems to be praising the Prime Minister, his governance, as far as the way that the BJP functions. And right now, it seems that Gautam Gambhir seems to have reacted to Tharoor's PM Modi post saying that he is pitted against his own team. However, he's left this statement to be open. And it is still not clear exactly where he seems to be pointing out or whom he seems to be hinting at. Because Gautam Gambhir seems to be finding himself in the spotlight. However, this seems to have gone a bit political as well, with the presence of both of them, Gautam Gambhir and, of course, as far as Shashi Tharoor is concerned, being in Nagpur. Well, that seems to have given the BJP an opportunity to take on and to project this picture in front of the Congress party and to ask for their opinion exactly what will trigger the Congress party more. Shashi Tharoor being in Nagpur, Shashi Tharoor meeting and praising Gautam Gambhir, or Tharoor's acknowledgement that Prime Minister Modi has the hardest job in India given how he's second guessed by an opposition that puts parivaric interests above Bharat's interests. Guess there might be the third point. Well, that is as far as the take that has been put up by Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP. And we just heard Tuheen Suna as well giving out his opinion, saying that if Shashi Tharoor praises BJP so much, if he likes the BJP so much, then maybe he could take a stand as far as when it comes to jumping ship and joining the BJP for once and for all. All right. Interesting debate that seems to be happening on social